space. I could walk.
It's a safety hazard.
There was no cherry in there. You walk and die.
Yeah, we don't want you to get hurt.
Woo!
Oh my god. Oh god. Alright, what's your name?
Monica.
Rebecca.
It's Monica.
16? Yeah, something like that. Rebecca or Monica?
Monica.
Attention, Joe's Crab Shack. Give a very special
Woohoo!
Monica. She's turning 16. All her friends told me she's just a big old baby, so when we sing to her, she's going to walk around sucking her thumb. If she stops at any line, we're going to stop singing and start over till she's done. Can I get a 1?
1,
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Monica. Happy birthday to you.
You have to send that to Matt so he gets some vindication.
No, don't send it.